Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com, and today we're going to take a look at this Hughes Autoformers SafeView Smart Power Inlet. This square RV power inlet is going to let you hook up to shore power using your power cord, and this male connector is going to accept your 30 amp female twist lock RV power cables. And this is compatible with locking rings, and the smart LED circuit sensor is going to light the letters G for ground, L for line, and N for neutral with green or red lights. So the green lights are going to indicate that the circuit wiring is good and working properly, and the red lights are going to detect a missing ground, missing neutral, or reverse polarity. Now the LED backlight here will also light up a solid white if the circuit is good, and will flash red if an issue has been detected. So the cover is going to snap in place to keep that inlet clean and safe when not in use. And the glass impregnated fire retarding nylon plastic construction is weather resistant. It's very sturdy, very durable it feels like, and the nickel plated contacts are corrosion resistant. Now this is going to be a relatively easy installation into your RV wall with the included screws to mount this. And let me go ahead and give you some overall dimensions to help you to make sure that this is going to work for you. So I want to start out by giving you the overall width, and I think the best way to do that is just to measure here at the back of the outlet. So it looks like the overall width, we are sitting pretty close to 4 3/8 inches wide. And then in measuring the height, I am measuring all the way from the tab here to lift this cover up all the way up to the hinge. So I'm just going to set that on the tab, line up my ruler here with the top of the hinge, and we are sitting right at about 4 1/4 inches tall, it looks like. And then the overall thickness, and I'm including from the front of the outlet all the way to the back where you're going to be running your wires through. It looks like we're sitting right at about 4 1/4 inches thick overall, and then just the outlet only. So this is giving you the measurement of the thickness that this is going to be sticking out from your wall. Looks like we're sitting right at about 1 3/8 inches thick. And then I measured the mounting holes earlier, so you can see them here at the rear of the outlet, and of course right here at the front. So I measured those earlier, and measuring center to center horizontally and then center to center vertically, we're sitting at 2.5 inches. So 2.5 by 2.5 inches on those mounting holes, center to center. This inlet is RVIA compliant, MEMA compliant, and ETL certified. And again, the amperage is going to be 30 amps. And there's a little gasket here that goes around the rear of this outlet, so it doesn't damage your wall as it's mounted there. So a little bit of insulation there with that gasket. Instructions are included, instructions on how to install, and then also how to read those indicator lights that we just went over with a little bit. Well, that's going to conclude our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.